Previously we have made a video about the savings of Bitget Earn, but expect more as today I will be doing a video about the Sharkfin, another product of Bitget Earn which also can bring money to the pocket. We'll walk you through the incredible features of Bitget Earn and dive deep into the exciting world of Sharkfin. Get ready to discover new ways to grow your crypto holdings and earn passive income. First, let's examine Bitget Earn and how it might transform your cryptocurrency holdings. Using Bitget Earn, a robust platform, you may generate passive income from your cryptocurrency holdings. It offers a variety of services and products that are intended to increase your income and allow you financial independence. Now, let's turn our attention to Bitget Sharkfin. This innovative investment product aims to supercharge your crypto earnings and take your portfolio to new heights. Now this product have a different approach than the savings itself. Let's dive on the step-by-step. 1. Sign up and create an account on the Bitget platform. 2. Navigate to the Bitget Earn section and explore the available investment options. 3. Choose the investment product that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. 4. Deposit your desired crypto assets into your Bitget account. 5. Set the investment amount, duration, and other parameters according to your preferences. 6. Monitor your earnings and track the performance of your investments through the Bitget platform. 7. Leverage the tools and analytics provided by Bitget to make informed investment decisions. 8. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to optimize your earnings and manage risk effectively. All this guide is made so you won't be lost preparing your way on Bitget Sharkfin, as it might be a little tricky without a guide. With Bitget Earn and Sharkfin, you can now optimize your cryptocurrency portfolio with the right information and resources. Invest more widely, start generating passive income, and take charge of your financial destiny. Become a part of the Bitget community now to start your rewarding crypto journey.